Sonia Sinyeke. I am excited to share a hands-on tool I have created to teach about biomes, those fascinating areas of the world defined by its climate, plants and animals. Here is my shoebox biomes, and it's designed to bring these far-off places into the class, right? My goal is to make learning about biomes through shoebox a deep, meaningful, engaging, and even fun experience for students. In this presentation, I will demonstrate how shoebox biomes can facilitate a deep learning, promote engagement, make content accessible, make learning fun, and foster critical thinking. A biome is the specific type of geographical area characterized by its unique climate, vegetation, and animal life. A shoebox biomes can be used to teach students about ecosystem, habitats, and environmental concepts in a fun and interactive way. With this shoebox, we will demonstrate only a few of biomes. In our world, we have different types of plants, which are trees, flowers, fruits, and vegetables, as we see here. And also different types of animals, which are mammals, insects, birds, and reptiles. They all live in different habitats, such as deserts, forests, water, and grasslands. Biomes are very important in our lives. The oxygen we use to breathe, it is produced by plants through photosynthesis. That means without plants, we cannot live. Also, plants need water to grow. Remember, we as humans, we are also biomes. That means biome needs each other to survive. Water plays a big role in keeping biomes alive, as it also a habitat of other biomes. The animals that live in water are known as aquatic animals, such as dolphins and fishes, right? Remember, everywhere you see water, surely you will find the stones, as we see here, okay? Biomes, such as plants, provide us with food. We eat like vegetables and fruits. And some biomes, like animals, provide us with meat that supplies our bodies with proteins. And animals like cows provide us with dairy. As humans, we have a responsibility to protect our biomes by reducing biodiversity and air pollution, reusing and recycling, like making fabric bags when shopping instead of plastic bags, recycling boxes, tins, and bottles, and adopting sustainable practice in our daily activities. Thank you guys for your time. I hope this presentation has inspired you to think creatively about how you can share a hands-on learning into your classroom. Thank you.